मित्रांनो, आपण ट्रिग्नॉमेट्रीमध्ये फाइंड द व्हॅल्यूज या टाइपचे प्रॉब्लेम्स पाहत आहोत. आपण परत एकदा कंटिन्यू करू. sin of 90 plus tan square 60 minus cosec 30. Note the value of this. Use that standard triangles 30, 60, 90 triangle. त्रिकोण 30, 60 नंबरचा त्रिकोण 45, 45, 90 ट्रायंगल 45, 45 नंबरचा त्रिकोण आणि हा इमॅजिनरी ट्रायंगल 0, 90, 90. By using that sin 90, you know that sin 90 opposite upon hypotenuse. Sin, that is opposite upon hypotenuse. So with the help of this diagram, we know that sin of 90 is equal to 1 upon 1, that is 1. We can substitute here 1. Similarly, tan square 60, याची किंमत काढायला 30, 60 नंबरचा त्रिकोण वापरू शकता. आणि tan चं डेफिनेशन आठवायची. tan 60 opposite upon adjacent. Opposite upon adjacent. So root 3 upon 1, that is root 3. The square is there. Minus cosec 30. Cosec 30. Cosec. Remember that h upon o. Cosec 30. 30. Hypotenuse is 2. 2 upon opposite 1. So that is 2. Like this. Now you can simplify. You know that 1 plus 3 minus 2. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. We can use what is the value from the triangles 30, 60, 90, 45, 45, 90, 0, 90, 90. What is the next example there? Sec square 45. You know that, remember that h upon a, sec 45, sec 45, h hypotenuse upon adjacent, root 2. So you can substitute here root 2 bracket square. Similarly, square of cos 90, cos 90 from this triangle. You can see that cos 90, cos, remember that cos adjacent upon hypotenuse. So to calculate cos 90, 0 upon 1, that is 0. So you can use that 0 square minus tan square 30. You remember that tan of 30 opposite upon adjacent, 1 upon root 3 square. So remember that square of this number is 2 plus square is 0 minus 1 upon 3. So you can see that 2 minus 1 upon 3. 2 minus 1 upon 3. You can calculate 3 to the 6, 6 minus 1, 5 upon 3. That is your final answer. तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवायचं 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 यासाठी ही मेथड तुम्ही जरूर वापरा. आता this is very interesting another type. 66, measure of the angle is 66. कोणाचं माप इथं 24 आहे. It is not 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. So remember that another identity. What is that very very important identity? Sin theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta. Cos theta is equal to sin of 90 minus theta. Tan theta is equal to cot of 90 minus theta. And this is another group. What is that group there? Remember, tan of theta into tan of 90 minus theta is equal to 1. So definitely to calculate the value of this, use that 90 minus theta. Remember that by keeping cos 66 as it is, you can try to convert cos, what is that, sin is there, sin theta. Sin theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta. Remember this identity. Sin of theta is equal to cos of 90 minus this theta. So what is that? You are getting cos of 66 minus cos of 66, and you know that the difference is 0. Very interesting. 90 minus theta. Division is there, sec is there, cosec is there. We cannot divide directly. So try to convert by using this sec theta is equal to cosec of 90 minus theta. Convert numerator, that is cosec of 90 minus theta by taking 62 as theta. Denominator keeping as it is cosec 28. See that cosec of by taking subtraction 90 minus 62, it is 28. So divided by cosec 28. So what is the division there? 1. So very interesting group, 90 minus theta. This one, cot 38 divided by tan 52. Try to convert. You can convert denominator also. Denominator cot of 90 minus 52. Numerator cot of 38. What is that? Cot of 38 divided by cot of 90 minus 52. It is 38. So what is the value there? 1. We are using this identity 90 minus theta. Similarly, you can convert cos into sine, cos into sine, sine of 90 minus 53 divided by sine of 37. See that sine of 37 divided by sine of 37. So you can see the final answer, 1 minus 1, it is 0. Final answer. This is very interesting group for you. सर्वांना हा महत्वाचा ग्रुप जाणार आहे. 90 minus theta. See that tan of theta into tan of 90 minus theta is 1. Product is 1. So remember that tan of 72 into this is nothing but tan of, it is 16, but it is definitely 90 minus 74. So by comparing with the formula tan of theta into tan of 90 minus theta, product is 1. By using two angles are complementary there. Remember that. Two angles are complementary. Their total is 90. So sin 64 is equal to cos ... So you can say that 90 minus 64. Remember that it is 90 minus 64. Similarly, cosec 35 is equal to sec of 90 minus 35. Remember this value. If it is given x like that, x, here is x, how to find out? The measure of x, therefore x is equal to 90 minus 64. Remember the answer. And here x is equal to 90 minus 35. That is your answer. To calculate, we are using 90 minus theta identities. What is the first group there? 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. That is your first group. What is the second group? When two angles, we know that they are complementary angles. We have to remember this group. आपण छानपैकी हे एकत्र करा, जबरदस्त प्रॅक्टिस करा आणि हा व्हिडिओ आपल्याला आवडला तर शेअर करा, सबस्क्राइब करा आणि लाईक करा.